And after that, my sister called and she was screaming, panicking, ki bhukam aaya, ye wo, and yeah. So I just came to know. Mom didn't want to make me panic or feel scared, so she did not tell me purposely. But हाँ मुझे जब पता चला मैंने फिर से उनको कॉल किया, सब कुछ चेक किया. Family groups, they are talking and discussing. Yeah. So everybody is scared.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.